Hi guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, we are going to talk about DIY pressure washer.
So we got this online, which is a very affordable water pump that runs on a 12-volt socket. So today we want to check out, does this really works? Okay, we thought it's gonna rain, but somehow it seems like it's just a pass-by cloud. If it rains, basically we get a free bike wash, but I think the offer is no deal after all. So we have to do it manually. We gotta quickly do it before the sunlight is out.
We found a few parts that are quite rusty, so we decided to soak them up before we start washing them, so it's easier later on.
Wow, disaster, man. So I think we are shifting the bike somewhere there, which is closer to the drain. Just don't be on the drain itself, because your screw might drop in and then you lose a lot of screw, like what we experienced. So today we want to check out, does this really works? The hose set itself comes with the pump, intake water hose and a jet. We also take out a battery and from the Escooter, and this is a high voltage to 12 volt, so we can plug in this later on, and a socket charging converter with surge protection here. So just to be safe, we put this on top, so if the water flow through, it will not short circuit this. So once you plug in, there's a red light, there's a switch, and this basically charge up. You just keep this above the water zone, and once we turn on, bus. Okay, we tighten this area. So you have your knees. If you press harder, it becomes a jet, which is very good to clean all this area. So we start from the top, wash it down. And also especially the brake dust. The rim. So what we have here today is this regular dishwasher mix, DIY. You can use car soap. We have a kerosene, so for you to clean the chain. So we have the chain brush, the dirty brush for brushing general area, and also this to scrub off the rust later on. And we also got a clean brush to brush the top, your tank or your covers. So we start from the top. This area are usually the ones that are quite dirty, so just clean them up. Okay, we want to remove this rust. So see, now it's better. We gotta use this jet again. So light press, miss. You don't want to jet the top because you don't want water to flow through. So you just miss it on top. We just want to rinse off the soap. Okay, you can use jet here to remove the grime. So always wash from the top to the bottom. If you wash from the bottom to the top, then the dirty water will flow down and then it becomes dirty again. Pretty good, impressed, worth the investment. You make your choice. So now to wash the chain, we are using kerosene. It's good that you have a main stand so you can roll. So we just want to spray over it. As you can see, the grime is coming out. This is much cheaper than your chain cleaner and it works. Okay, let it sit for a while and then you get this. Okay, just scrub it. Wow, see, so dirty, see, so disgusting. So we probably need more kerosene to wash out the grime. You can clearly see it's the difference now. There's you can see the silver part now. Just now was all black. Probably they never wash it since it was out from the factory. Dirt dripping down. Then back with this cleaning brush. Wash my hand first. So now we can wash it down with the jet. The jet is also quite useful in terms of washing your dirty brushes because it helps you to force out all the dirt much better. Okay, next we use some unwanted cloth. Now you can dry out the bike to prevent the watermark from forming. Dry up the chain before we apply wax on it. So same thing, roll this direction. You don't want to go this direction because the sprocket is there. It might cut your finger. So next we apply chain loop. Okay, so you want to apply on the top of the two link, not the side, but the top. And just remember to oil all the rust prone area. So how do I find this little pump? I find it quite useful as compared to the car park one. The one that you find in your multi-story car park. Jet and vacuum will stop operating up from 10 PM to 7 AM. Reason being is this, you can control as and when you want it. But the car park one, you put a coin and then immediately you have to start using it for I think few minutes non-stop. This is more controllable. Quite small itself, portable, so you don't need to bring your bike all the way far if you doesn't have a multi-story car park. So alright guys, thank you for watching. See you again. And I also hope everyone do enjoy washing your own bike, because when you wash your own bike, you will know what's wrong with your bike. Thank you. Bye bye.